Now in this video I am going to discuss additive identity of a matrix. So what is the additive identity of a matrix? In general, if we are discussing the additive identity means शनाख्त, additive means plus होने वाली, ठीक है. तो if you are going to remember the meaning of identity, it would quite be easy for you. K 1 plus 0 is always equal to 1. So 0 is always the additive identity of matrices. Here we, in the matrices case, A plus O is equal to A. If we take any matrix A and then we add up it with null matrix or zero matrix, then the answer would be A. कोई भी ऐसी चीज़, कोई भी ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसको आप ऐड करें पहले वाले के साथ और आंसर पहले वाला आए, तो वो आपकी आइडेंटिटी होगी, एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव 2. ओके, सो आई वांट टू ऐड समथिंग अप टू 2 सो दैट द आंसर वुड बी 2. ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि जिसको मैं 2 के साथ ऐड करूं और मेरे पास आंसर 2 ही आए? दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज़ 0. इसीलिए 0 एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी होता है. इन द मैट्रिक केस, मैट्रिक्स तो हमारे पास यूँ होते हैं ना, ABCD, रोज, कॉलम्स, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स एट्सेट्रा. अब मैट्रिक्स के केस में मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि इस मैट्रिक्स के साथ मैं ऐसा क्या ऐड करूँ कि मेरे पास वापस ABCD आए. What should be added to this matrix so that I gain back this the same? So that particular matrix would be 0 0 0 0, the null matrix. The null matrix denoted by O is that particular additive identity of a matrix. Okay, so when it comes to inverse, additive inverse of a matrix, additive inverse of a matrix. Basically, when we look at the inverses, what is the inverse? Inverse is such thing which when you add something and you gain the identity in back, then that particular thing would be inverse. Okay, if A and B are two matrices of same order, then A and B are called additive inverse of each other. Let's take a look. In normal cases, when 2 is added up to something so that we gain additive identity, then this thing would be called inverse. For example, if 2 is added up to something so that we gain additive identity, which I discussed, additive identity in this case is 0. So what would be the number which when added to 2 and give us the additive identity 0? The number is minus 2. Minus 2 is such a number which when added up to 2 always gives us 0. Okay? This is the basic concept of inverse. Let's take another thing. For example, we have 1 by 2. Okay, now what would be the number here so that I can gain additive identity? The number here would be minus 1 by 2. This is general. Now, in the particular matrices case, what would be the additive identity? What would be the additive inverse? This is inverse, this is inverse. For example, I have matrix A as, let's take a look from notebook. 103, 2 minus 1, 1, and then 1 minus 2, 0. This is the matrix A, and we have matrix B as minus 1, 0, minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 0. This is the second matrix. Then if their addition gives us null matrix, then that B is the additive identity of A and A is the additive identity of B. 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 again, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 0, 0. So this is the null matrix.